Okay, about healthcare in the area. There are several choices for healthcare in the area, and one of the other things that to me is really important, and it may be for you, is if you have specific needs and you need to see a specialist like a cardiologist, those might not be available all the time in Coronado or at the clinics nearby. But that's one of the great things about being in Coronado is you're only about an hour and change away from the city, and if you need to make a doctor's appointment at the Punta Pacifica Hospital, which is the John Hopkins affiliated hospital, you can get there and back in, a couple, 4 hours, let's say, hour and a half to get there while you find parking and all that stuff. You do your appointment and you come back. I mean, this is one of the reasons why Coronado is such a great location. That whole beach community, you're still very close to the city if the need arises. A few years ago, my daughter got sick and I needed to take her in the middle of the night to an emergency room. Now, I could have gone to the San Carlos Hospital, but I preferred to take her to the city where they have a 24-hour pediatric care. And at that time of night, with no traffic, it took me 50 minutes to get into the city. 50 minutes. And so it was very doable. I wasn't super tired when I got back, and my daughter got the best care in all of Panama. Talking about healthcare, that's one of the things that is actually a huge thing here in Panama is medical tourism, because it's so much cheaper to actually do certain surgeries here. I had this couple from the south of the United States that came here. The wife got in an accident. She stumbled and tripped and hurt her ankle really bad. The gentleman took her to the emergency room. I was there to assist them. And when it was all said and done, emergency room care, x-rays and everything, and he got the bill. He looked at it, he goes, $200? Well, honey, you can break your ankles here in Panama anytime. He was so happy. Yes, it's very inexpensive in compared to other places. The San Fernando Clinic is open from Monday through Saturday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Doctor's visit is $15 US. I've been here many times before, and they have excellent service as well as state-of-the-art equipment. Let me take a moment to introduce you to Dr. Levy. I've known Dr. Levy for many years. He's a very competent doctor and will be able to assist you in English if the need ever arises.
Hi everyone, my name is Victor Levy. I'm the general practitioner here in Consultorios Médicos Costa Pacífico located in Coronado. I want to share with you all our services. We have laboratory, we have general practitioner, we have specialties, and also ultrasound. We want to invite you to visit us wherever you need it, and we will be here to help you.
It is my pleasure to introduce Dr. Julia. She is amazing. She is my dentist and has taken care of both of my kids. We go over there, and actually all of us at one point had braces from her clinic. She's great and an amazing dentist.
Hi, I'm Dr. Julia. I'm a dentist and I work here in Clínica Dental Coronado. I work with patients of all the ages, especially with retired adults. Here we do all kinds of treatments, such as cleanings, fillings, bone graft extractions, implants, and more. We have a strong team ready to offer you our service in Spanish or English. As you can see, we have modern facilities that include digital equipment for x-rays or tomographies. We are close to you here in Coronado Mall on the first floor in front of the McDonald's restaurant. See you soon.
There are several choices for pharmacies in the area. There are two Arrocha pharmacies in the beach areas. Both are located off the main highway. One is located on the western edge of the beach areas at the entrance to Playa Blanca, a few minutes away from Buenaventura and the Rio Hato Airport. The other one is located near Coronado, With more than 30 branches in Panama, Arrocha is one of the most complete pharmacies. It is a unique option because it also has several different departments, such as cosmetics, school supplies, books, toys, and electronics. Then there is the Metro Pharmacy, which is much smaller than Arrocha, but it's also a chain with many locations throughout the country. There's actually a second Metro inside El Rey supermarket, just a short distance from this Coronado location. Many supermarkets have their own pharmacies, and Super 99 here in Coronado is no exception. This is the fourth pharmacy in the area of Coronado. There is a new pharmacy that just opened up in December of 2022 at the beach areas, and that is El Javillo. This is one of the oldest pharmacies in Panama, founded in 1921 by the co-founder of the Faculty of Pharmacy at the University of Panama. Normal operation hours for these pharmacies are about from 6 a.m. to about 9 p.m. You will find many of the same brands that you will encounter in North America and Europe.
There are many choices for veterinarians in the area, also for pet shops. I would say probably about 6 or 7 vets and about 2 or 3 pet stores. And you can always find somebody to help you out with your pets. This is a great place for dogs. I've always had dogs, and there's just tons of places to take them on. It's totally fine to take them on the beach.